Hello, my name is Kelsey Kerms, and today I'm going to go over the online tool with you called Evernote. Evernote is an organizational online note-taking tool that you can use. It's either free or you can get the paid version depending on what your needs are. This tool is great for keeping track of projects, to-do lists. It's great for collaboration on projects. Overall, it's just a very simple but powerful tool. It has a spreadsheet design, so you're able to add a title, you can write text, you can drag files in, you can insert pictures, you can create tables. Overall, it's very similar to like a Microsoft Word, or if you've ever used Google Docs before, very similar format, which makes it very, very simple to use. On the left-hand side, you'll see notebooks. This is where everything starts. In order to add a new notebook, you just simply click New Notebook, and we can name our notebook for whatever we need it to be. If you click on this little tab, it'll show you all the notes that are underneath of it. So right now you can see there's no notes underneath that one. Under this one, we have one. So we would go ahead and click on our tab, and then we would just click New Note. And this is where our notes would begin. All the notes that are under it would be shown on this side. We can also add tags on it as well. So later on, if we're looking for the specific note, if we need to go back to it, we're able to find it very easily under the tags option. So you can see all the different tags. You just click on it, and it would bring us right back to that note. Very simple way to share it with other users. All you do is click share. And then just like Google Docs, you go in, type the email address that you need to type, and they can edit it once they get it as well. What's great about this tool is that they also have a mobile device version. So you're able to log in, and just like you see on your desktop/laptop, you can edit it on your mobile device as well. So I think that's really powerful. A lot of people are on the go. They're able to just simply edit, keep track of everything that they need to from wherever they are. You're also able to search, so you're able to find whatever notes that you were. If you have a lot and you need to find something that you previously worked on, you can do that. You can also see who shared with you, any notebooks that other users may have shared to you. And then you can simply just go back and you can look at all notes that are on here. So that's just a little overview of Evernote. Thank you and have a good day.